all the new technicians, engineers, technologists, in short, for those who are joining us in this field of electrical engineering. I want you to be following me as I'll be helping you, giving you the foundations of this field. The foundation that we need to understand, that you need to understand even before you take the step of this course. So today I would like to share with you some formulas, basic formulas that you need to understand, that you need to know for you to have an idea and for you to know how to go of this field. So the first formula, the first rule and law that you need to take and understand in this field, you need to understand about Ohm's law. So Ohm's law, it states that the voltage across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, which simply means wherever you see V, we are talking about voltage, I talking about current, R, we're talking about resistance. Be familiar with this because you'll be dealing with these things not until you complete this field. The other thing that we need also to understand is where power is concerned. So we say electrical power is a product of voltage and current. So wherever you see P, we are talking of power, V, voltage, and I, current. The other thing that we need also, and you need also to know and to understand, is where energy is concerned. So when we say energy consumed, we are talking about electrical energy. It's a product of power and also time. So this is a formula that you need to know when calculating energy, which is energy E, P, you're talking about power, T, you're talking about time. When we talk about resistance in series, we are saying the total resistance is the sum of individual resistance in series. Get familiar with these formulas. When we talk about resistance in parallel, we are just talking about the reciprocal of total resistance is the sum of reciprocals of individual resistance. Get this and understand this formula. The other thing that we need also to understand is where capacitance is concerned. So we say capacitance is the ratio of the charge on each conductor to the potential difference. So this is a formula for capacitance. Wherever you see C, we're talking about capacitance, Q, charge, V, voltage. The other thing that we need also to understand and to come across and to know is where inductive reactance is concerned. So when we say inductive reactance is the opposition offered by an inductor to the flow of AC current. Know this formula. You'll be using this formula throughout this field until you finish this course. When we talk of XL, we are talking